Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today episode we got this cool material right here, and basically what this is an anti-fatigue mat. So you can definitely use this at home, in the office. If you guys want to use this like near your desk, or if you guys want to use it like near like the kitchen area, to give you guys that comfort and support if you guys are standing up for a really long time. That's where one of these comes in handy. So if you guys can see right there, the one that we got right here is from the Bedsure brand, and they call this the floor comfort mat. And the one that we got right here is the black color, but they also have this available in the gray color as well. And they do have it in like a bigger or smaller size. The one that we got right here is a 20 by 32 inch. So definitely want to do your own measurement and research to see which one you guys prefer. But I'm actually open this up first to show you guys what the product looks like. Alright, so here is the piece of paper. And when you guys take out the product, this is basically what the product looks like here. So definitely when you guys feel the material on here, it feels really nice. It definitely has like that waterproof or water resistant material that's on here. So if you guys spill water on here, it's completely fine. And the material that they use on here is actually really easy to clean as well. They mentioned how it's actually oil proof or oil resistant and stain resistant as well. So if you guys do want to use it in the kitchen, you don't have to worry about any stains, water, or oil sticking on here. All you guys need to do is get like a wet piece of paper or cloth and just wipe it down. But definitely when you guys feel material on here, it feels really nice. You can definitely feel that cushion and support on this side right here. And the same thing for the bottom as well. And then for the bottom part right here, they do have like non-slip material on the back. So once you guys put it on the ground, it won't keep moving around. Let me actually put this down on the ground to show you guys what the product looks like if you guys were to use it, and then describe how it feels, and then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so we have the product all set right here. So for example, if you guys have like a stand-up desk like how I have it right here, you can basically just step on top right here. What I recommend if you guys want to keep it clean, you probably want to take off your shoes and just step on top right here. And basically once you guys step on top right here, you definitely get like that cushion and support on here. And when you guys try to move it, it won't move because of that non-slip material in the bottom. But definitely once you guys hop on right here, you definitely feel that very nice cushion on here to give you guys that comfort and support. But definitely right off the bat, once you start using this, it actually feels really nice. And no matter where you guys stand on this mat right here, it definitely gives you guys that cushion and support on here, and also that comfort as well. Like I mentioned, you can definitely use it at your desk right here, or if you guys want to use it in the kitchen, you can definitely use it in different situations. And definitely the fact that how this product is actually waterproof is pretty awesome as well. So once you pour some water on here, actually test it out. Alright, so we got the mat right here and got my water right here. Let's test it out. So I just want to pour a little bit of water. And then see how the water doesn't actually soak in when we try to wipe it. It actually comes off so easily and doesn't stick on, which is pretty nice. So 90 so quick test, but I definitely see it actually does work. Actually works quite well. So if you guys do plan on getting one of these to use it in like a kitchen area when you guys are doing dishes or cooking or whatever, you would definitely get that all day support when you guys stand on top right here to give you guys that support for your back and also that comfort as well. Compared to standing on the ground without the mat, it definitely makes a huge difference. And especially if you guys are working from home or if you guys are working in the office, definitely getting one of these is actually really useful as well. So that way if you guys are standing up to do work, maybe like on a stand-up desk or something, that's where one of these come in handy as well. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and test the product, not to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is worth it if you guys want one and need one of these. Especially if you guys are planning to actually get one of these for any of the situations that I mentioned earlier, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.